Hello everyone, I'm Rachel. Swiss lathe offers a number of structural advantages that make it ideal for machining precision. Its large number of tools and high speed of changeover meet the demand for efficiency machining of complex parts. The spindle back-axis synchronization enabled the machining of long, thin shafts, ensuring high coaxiality and straightness of the workpiece, which is ideal for machining parts with large diameters. In addition, its power head supports the combined processing of turning and milling, which broadens the scope of application. Swiss lathe has reasonable layout, compact shape and small footprint, which is suitable for production environments with limited space. Small but mighty, fast and tidy, Swiss lathe get righty.